All right, for number 1, it says a business is using a catering company for an event. The catering company is offering 3 different meal options. The equation y equals 12.5 eggs plus 45 can be used to predict the cost of meals of X people that attend the event. What is the meaning of the slope? So when I look at this problem, my mx, my slope, is 1250. So I can go ahead and eliminate B and D because B and D are using the y-intercept. So the slope is going to represent the repeating value. So remember, the repeating value is going to be the one that keeps happening. The initial value is the y-intercept. So the options are the company has an initial fee of $12.50, or the cost increases $12.50 for each person who attends. So the repeating value, as each person attends, the value will go up. So the answer is C. All right, so the next question. The height in inches of a candle is modeled by this function. Now, let me remind you that h of t is just simply meaning y. And they have 10 minus t. So if I rewrite this in the format y equals mx plus b, I'm writing it as negative t plus 10, which makes the t, so if I rewrite it in such a way that I have x's and y's, this is negative x plus 10. So it says that t is the amount of time that the candle is burning, the meaning of the y-intercept. So this time we're interpreting the y-intercept, which is going to be the initial value. So if we're looking at the initial value, if you think about a candle burning, you're thinking about, okay, so you have a candle that's this height, and as it burns, the height is going to go down. So my initial value is my y-intercept, which is going to be 10. But if you look at the answer choices, none of the answer choices have 10 as an option. So you're really simply interpreting the fact that it's the initial value. So the amount of time that the candle needs to have to be burning, so that's not going to be true because the initial value is going to be the initial height. So the height of the candle when it starts to burn, which is correct because we want to know how tall was the candle before it starts to burn. We don't want to know after it's finished. That's not right. And the maximum amount of time for the candle. Anything with time is not going to relate to the initial